Everyone's talking about India slowly overtaking China as the manufacturing hub of the world. But do you know why? Let's find out. India is one of the fastest growing economies of the world. It currently ranks 5th and is poised to become the third largest with $5 trillion GDP. While IT, healthcare, renewable energy, agriculture, banking and financial services will drive this growth, manufacturing sector is going to play a vital role to reach the target. Some of the initiatives undertaken by the Indian government are playing a pivotal role in creating an environment conducive to this reality. Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat to encourage use of local products and help India become self-reliant to increase potential exports. Production-linked incentive schemes across 14 sectors to enhance manufacturing capabilities and exports. PM Gati Shakti to pull down logistics costs and enable quick last mile delivery. Industrial Corridor Development Program across 11 corridors to improve the connectivity and logistics. And creating a world-class infrastructure across India to build an efficient supply chain through National Infrastructure Pipeline. There are several other reasons why manufacturing industry is going to prosper. Surge in exports to $450 billion in FY23 from the pre-COVID level of $330 billion in FY19. Also, manufacturing sector is the largest gainer of FDI flows. We've seen rise in the registration of manufacturing companies up from 22% in CY18 to 28% in CY22. India is also one of the most cost-competitive manufacturing destinations with favorable tax structure, abundant cheap skilled and unskilled labor, government incentives and public policies. But how can you make the most of this opportunity? Introducing the Axis India Manufacturing Fund, a thematic fund that invests in India's manufacturing businesses with a systematic approach, having exposure to 11 sectors across 66 industries in India. The fund intends to invest across 3 major categories: investments, consumption, and net exports. Investment companies are those that are investing in factory equipments and R&D to build production capacity. Consumption companies are those which are going to be benefited from the rise of consumption of domestic products and premiumization of products and services. And lastly, net exports, which are companies that are focusing on increasing net exports and import substitution. These companies are likely to benefit from the China Plus One narrative. The Axis India Manufacturing Fund will offer you a bottom-up approach to identify potential winners in the manufacturing sector by focusing on quality companies through active sectoral allocation, multi-cap stock selection, and focus on the underrepresented segment of the Indian listed market. So join us in the journey of India becoming a $5 trillion economy. Invest in the Axis India Manufacturing Fund. NFO opens 1st December and closes on 15 December.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.